channel. My name is Vidya Rai and today we are going to study about powers and exponents. If you like my video, please like and subscribe my channel. First we will study about the concepts of exponents. So you know how to write a repeated sum of a number in a simpler and shorter way by using use of multiplication. For example, 7 plus 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 7 is a repeated sum in which the number 7 is added to itself 10 times. You may write it as 10 into 7. In a similar manner, a repeated multiplication like 7 into 7 into 7 into 7 into 7 in which factor 7 is multiplied by itself 5 times can be written in a simpler and shorter way by using power. Like thus 7 into 7 into 7 into 7 into 7 equals to 7 to the power 5. Likewise, 2 into 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 equals to 256. So here factor 2 multiplied by itself 7 times. And 7 to the power 5, so 5 is the index or power and 7 is the base. Exponential form, read 7 to the 5th power or 7 to the power 5. The exponential form is a short way of writing continued product of a number by itself and is used by raising the factor called base to an exponent called a power. The exponent indicates how many times to multiply the base by itself. Let us know how to read an exponential expression. For any rational number a and a positive integer n, a to the power n equals to a into a into a into a and so on n times. A multiplied by a n times. A to the power n is called the nth power of a. It may be also read as a raised to the power n or simply a to the power n. For example, 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 equals to 2 into the power 4. Read as 2 to the power 4. Minus 1 by 2 into minus 1 by 2 into minus 1 by 2 equals to minus 1 by 2 to the power 2. Read as minus 1 by 2 to the power 3. Special names. Power 2 is also called a square and power 3 is called a cube. We read 3 into 3 equals to 3 to the power 2 as 3 square and 2 into 2 into 2 equals to 2 to the power 3 as 2 cube. Now we will solve some problems. Write in exponential form. So first question, 4 into 4 into 4. So here it is said to write in exponential form. So the answer is 4 to the power 3 as 4 is multiplied by itself 3 times. And number B, 3 by 7 into 3 by 7 into 3 by 7 into 3 by 7 into A into A. So here the answer is 3 by 7 2 times 2 because 3 by 7 is multiplied by itself 4 times and A is multiplied by itself 2 times. Now we will solve. Write each number as a power of each base. First question is 64 to the base 2. So here we have to find out how many times 2 multiplies itself to get 64. So let's see. 2 to 6, 2 to 4, 2 1 2 to 6 2. 2 4 2 So 2 multiplies itself 6 times to get 64. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, that is 2 to the power 6. Now we will solve using exponents. Express the prime factorization of the following 500. So 25. Sorry. So the answer is 2 into 2 to 5 into 5 into 5. So 2 into 2, 2 to the power 2 into 5 to the power 3. Look at the following table. As you can easily conclude from the table, 1. A negative rational number even power is positive. Number 2. A negative rational number odd power is negative. 3. If p by q, that is q isn't equal to 0, is a rational number, then p by q to the power n equals to p to the power n by q to the power n. Now we will solve. Simplify. Minus 2 to the power 3 into 3 to the power 2. So the answer is 2 minus 2 into minus 2 into minus 2 into 3 into 3. Answer is minus 8 into 9. So the final answer is 9 into 72 minus. Now we will study about laws of exponents. First we will study about multiplication law of exponents. So consider the following example. 2 to the power 5 into 2 to the power 3 equals to 2 into 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 2. So 2 multiplied by itself 8 times. So the answer is 2 to the power 8. So you can also add this way. 2 to the power 5 into 2 to the power 3 equals to 2 to the power 5 plus 3 equals to 2 to the power 8. This example suggests the following law of exponents relating to their product. Law 1. Law of multiplication of exponents. Words. The product of two powers with the same base equals the same raised to the sum of the exponents. Illustration: 5 to the power 8 into 5 to the power 9 equals to 5 to the power 8 plus 9 equals to 5 to the power 17. Add exponents, that is keep base same. Generalization: if a is any non-zero rational number and m and n are natural numbers, then a to the power m into a to the power n equals to a to the power m plus n. Now we will study how to find power of a power. Consider the following example. 7 to the power 2 to the power 3. 7 to the power 2 into 7 to the power 3 into 7 to the power 3 equals to 7 into 7 into 7 into 7 into 7 into 7. 7 multiplied by itself 6 times. So the answer is 7 to the power 6. So same way we can do 7 to the power 2 to the power 3 multiply into itself, that is 3 by 2 equals to 7 to the power 2 into 3 equals to 7 to the power 6. Law 2. Law of a power. Words. A power raised to another power equals that base raised to the products of the exponents. Illustration: 4 to the power 5 to the power 2 equals to 4 to the power 5 into 2 equals to 4 to the power 10. Multiply the exponents, that is 5 and 2, keep base same. Generalization: if a is any non-zero rational number and m and n are natural numbers, then a to the power m to the power n. Now we will study about dividing powers with the same base. Consider the following example. 5 to the power 7 divide 5 to the power 4. So 5 to the power 7 divide 5 to the power 4 equals to 5 into 5 into 5 into 5 into 5 into 5 into 5 divided by 5 into 5 into 5 into 5. So we have to cancel it, and the remaining is 5 into 5 into 5, that is 5 to the power 3. Notice 5 to the power 7 divide 5 to the power 4 equals to answer 5 to the power 7 minus 4, and the answer is 5 to the power 3. Law 3. Division property of exponents. Was the question of two non-zero powers with the same base equals the base raised to the difference of the exponents. Illustration: 3 to the power 20 divided by 3 to the power 16 equals to 3 to the power 20 by 3 to the power 16 equals to 3 to the power 20 by minus 16 equals to 3 to the power 4 equals to 81. Generalization: if a is any non-zero rational number and m and n are natural numbers, then a to the power n divided by n equals to a to the power m divided by a to the power n equals to a to the power m minus n. Now we will study about zero exponent. Consider the following example. 2 to the power 5 divided by 2 to the power 5 equals to 2 to the power 5 by 2 to the power 5 equals to 32 by 32 equals to 1. Also 2 to the power 5 divided by 2 to the power 5 equals to 2 to the power 5 minus 5 equals to 2 to the power 0. So this two suggests that 2 to the power 0 equals to 1. Therefore we have the following property of zero exponents. A non-zero rational number raised to the power 0 is 1. Example: find the value of minus 5 by 7 to the power 0 into minus 1 by to the power 7 divided by minus 1 by to the power 5 plus 1 minus 1 by 2 to the power 0. So to do this, first given expression equals to minus 5 by 7 to the power 0 into minus 1 by 8 to the power 7 minus 5 plus minus 1 by 2 to the power 0. So 1 into minus 1 by 8 to the power 2 plus 1 equals to minus 1 to the power 2 minus divide by 8 to the power 2 plus 1. Answer is 1 by 64 plus 1 equals to 1 by 64. Now we will study how to find the power of a product of rational numbers. Consider the following example: 3 into 5 to the power 4. So 3 into 5 into 3 into 5 into 3 into 5 into 3 into 5. So here 3 is 4 times, 3 into 3 into 3 into 3, and 5 is also 4 times, into 5 into 5 into 5 into 5. So 3 to the power 4 into 5 to the power 4, that is 81 into 625. The answer is 50,625. Law for power of a product of rational numbers. First, the power of the product of rational numbers equals the product of power of each other. Illustration: if minus 3 into 2 to the power 4 minus 1 to the power 4 into 3 to the power 4 into 2 to the power 4 equals to 1 into 81 into 16 equals to 1296. Generalization: for all non-zero rational numbers a and b, if n is natural number, then ab to the power m equals to a to the power m into b to the power m. Study about scientific notation. The width of the Milky Way galaxy from edge is about this much kilometer. Another way to write this number is in scientific notation as a product of two factors. One factor is the number between 1 and 10. The second factor is the power of 10. For the first factor, move the decimal point to the left as many places as it takes to get a number between 1 and 10. Next, we use the number of places moved as the power of 10 for the second factor. And the answer is 9.46 into 10 to the power 17 kilometer. To study about standard form. The Earth's maximum distance from the Sun is about 1.52 into 10 to the power 8 kilometer. Any number in scientific notation can be written in standard form. A quick way to find the standard form is to think of the decimal point moving to the right power of 10, which tells you how many places to move in. 1.52 into 10 to the power 8 equals to 152 million. So the Earth is about 152 million kilometers from the Sun. Application of laws of exponents in simple daily life problems. When you calculate the area of any square object like a 25 meter side square garden, you say that the area of this garden is 25 meter by 25 meter square. It means 25 meter multiplied by itself, that is 25 meter into 25 meter, which can be written as 25 meter square equals to 625 square meter. Another kind of example of using expression is what we talk about extremely tiny or big quantities. Example: a school uses a phone tree to contact each student's family. The principal secretary calls 3 families, then each family calls 3 other families, and so on. How many families will be notified during the 7th round of calls? So given is the secretary calls 3 families. In each round, the number of calls is the power of 3. So first round, that's 3 calls equals to 3 to the power 1. Second round, 9 calls equals to 3 into 3, that is 3 to the power 2. So during the 7th round, there will be 3 to the power 7 calls. So 3 to the power 7 equals to 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 to 5, 6, 7. So 3 multiplied by itself 7 times equals to 2187. So hence during the 7th round of calls, 2187 families will be notified. Thank you for watching my video. Bye bye.